Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for Baarden, coming right up after the intro. So after doing a review on the Baarden frankincense and sandalwood lineup, Adam decided to send me another box here. Now I have no idea what's in here, so we're just going to unbox it here together and see what's inside. The nice thing with Adam's boxes, he's very consistent. They are wrapped tight. So I'm gonna actually stop recording for a couple of minutes here while I cut this open. Okay, so now that I destroyed the box a little bit, we're just gonna open it up and see what's inside. I never really know how to open these boxes, but I'm gonna try to. Here we go. That's the presentation right there. There's a little thank you card. It says, if you join your purchase, please make sure to follow and tag at the Baarden to let us know. So I guess let's open this up. And I've got a nice little personalized note here again. So it says, Mick, enjoy your 3 oils and 1 balm. Truly hope you enjoy all of these scents and the balm. Can't wait to hear what you think. Glad that you now get to have the full Baarden experience. Beard your best, Adam. That's really awesome. I'm gonna keep that actually with the other note that I said that I would keep. So I definitely love these personalized notes, and I definitely hang on to these. Actually, I'm just gonna take this completely out and make a little bit of a mess here on the island. And we're just going to take a look here and see what we've got. So there is the tobacco, bourbon, and leather. So this one, I do believe he sent me a sampler tester of this one. So I do have this one from before, but it's just nice to have the actual label, because the one that I have just has a red sticker on it that says tester. So this is the full experience of their new scent. It says on here, a man walked into a humidor in Cuba, picking out the perfect cigar while sipping an old-fashioned, and he thought this smelled good. The ingredients on this one is jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and some fragrance. And we're just gonna give that a good old whiff. And yeah, that smells like the good old stuff that that I've been using for sure. And then this one here is the Moroccan Spice and Citrus. So that's what the label looks like for that. This one says, a man walked through a souk in Casablanca carrying some saffron and fresh oranges, and he thought this smelled good. I love these little notes that they put on here. I always look forward to when it's a new scent that I haven't tried or seen yet, what's actually written on here. So that's kind of cool. So the ingredients on this one is jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and fragrance. I've actually never smelled this one, so I'm curious to see what this smells like. So again, the scent is Moroccan Spice and Citrus. Oh wow, that's a nice spicy blend. I want to say it. I don't get the citrus very much. I don't smell a citrus scent. I don't even know how to explain this scent. It's just like a warm spice. It's a warm spicy scent. It's almost I don't even know what's in Moroccan Spice or what Moroccan Spice is, but that's a very nice scent. It's almost like a bit of a cologne type scent. So this is definitely something that that I would wear. Now I do actually have just put in some beard oil and beard balm, so I'm not going to try this stuff out, but I'm going to do a full week with these new scents that I haven't reviewed yet for Baarden, and then we're going to do a separate review. So this last one is Spearmint, Pine, and Musk. So I'm going to read out again what the label says. So it says, a man proudly walked away from a fallen tree, his boots covered in wet leaves and sawdust, and he thought this smelled good. Again, I really love those notes. It's such a good idea. It really gives you a sense of the, it kind of puts you into an environment um, and just really makes you think about, you know, what this scent could possibly smell like before you open it up. So so this one is a spearmint, pine, and musk. The ingredients for this one are jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, and fragrance. So we're gonna open this up and give it a whiff. Okay, so this one has like a nice little zest to it. So again, it's spearmint, pine, and musk. I definitely smell the pine, and it is for sure musky. And I don't get a ton of spearmint, but you can tell it's in there. So with that, it almost kind of comes off as a bit of a soapy scent, but definitely something that I would use. I mean, I do love this scent. Out of the three, which one do I like the best? I keep coming back to this Moroccan spice and citrus. I think I really like this one. I did really like the tobacco, bourbon, and leather scent as well. I've been using that one over the last few weeks. But I think this Moroccan spice is definitely something that's just it's just a thing of its own. I just really like the deep, warm scent that this one provides. So I don't even know how to describe it. It's just such a great scent. This is if you've tried Baarden products and you know you didn't like the first scent that you tried or whatever, but you did like the consistency and the quality and what it does for your beard, this should definitely be the next one that you try out and give them another chance. He's also sent me the beard balm here, tobacco, bourbon, and leather. And so I'm actually curious to see what the consistency of this is compared to the butter. So we're just going to take some out. Okay, so it's definitely harder to take out of the bottle there than the butter is. It's a little bit harder consistency. It does emulsify quite quickly, and I'm going to put a little bit in the beard. Oh, that smells great. This is definitely those two scents, the tobacco, bourbon, and leather, and also the Moroccan spice and citrus. Those out of all the scents that I've tried from Baarden, they're just such great scents. You guys, you really want to head over to Baarden.com, and if you're gonna pick any of the products, whether it's the oil, the balm, the butter, those two scents are the ones that you're gonna want to purchase. I believe they have free shipping on any orders that are over $60. So you know that's something that's rare. Not a lot of companies have that. So if you want to save on shipping, just buy over $60 worth of products, and it really truly is worth it. Oh wow, you just appeared. Okay, so I guess you appeared because you want to also smell these and tell everyone what you think of the scents. So okay, so this one is called Spearmint, Pine, and Musk. So if you want to smell that, be careful, don't drop it, it's precious.
It kind of smells like deodorant and
Like deodorant?
deodorant
Yeah.
and beer.
And beer.
Like beard.
Oh, like beard. Okay. Yeah, and this one, yeah, that's basically what I said too on this one. Is more of like a zesty clean scent, almost like a soapy or deodorant or something like that. Okay, so this one, I'm curious to see what you think of this one. This one is actually one of my favorites now. So this one's the Moroccan Spice and Citrus. So if you want to smell that and tell me what that smells like.
It smells like sweet honey and a little musk
Yeah.
and a little very spicy leaf and garlic.
And a little bit of garlic
Yeah.
there too. Okay. Yeah, so this one for me is yeah, like that honey, I guess, is the best way to it is a bit of a warm scent to me, and honey is kind of like a warm sweet scent. So yeah, that's kind of what my thoughts were on that too. I don't know if I smell garlic, but I guess everyone's sniffer is a little bit different. Now, so this one's tobacco, bourbon, and leather. So I'm curious to see what you think of this one. I'll actually just give it a little bit of a shake and then try that out.
A little deodorant and musk and very stinky.
Very what?
A little stinky.
A little stinky?
Yes.
You don't like this one?
Kinda, I like it. Kinda, I don't.
But yeah, so out of this one, like which one do you like the best? There's this tobacco one that you just described. There's the Moroccan spice and citrus, and then there's the
Deodorant.
spearmint, pine, and musk. Yeah, this is the one that you said is like a deodorant, and this one you said is like a honey. Like which one out of the three do you like the most?
Think. Yeah, I like this one better.
You like this one the better.
Yeah.
So May likes the spearmint, pine, and musk the most out of the three. And I like the Moroccan spice and citrus the most out of the three. All right, so that's it for today,
Thanks for watching.
and we'll see you next week.